Hi everyone, my name is Edu Brazil. I'm a student of RG Nursing and a staff of NHS. This is my first video on my channel. I create videos around nursing and your mental health well-being. I'm trying to get a 10K subscribers, so we really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. This video is for everyone, and my goal is to provide you with understanding of what high blood pressure is and equally shed light on the signs and symptoms of high blood pressure, the risk factors and the remedies. So what is high blood pressure? High blood pressure is also known as hypertension. It is when the force of your blood is pressing against the walls of your blood vessels. That is where the name high blood pressure comes from. So what are the blood vessels? They are the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries. So for us to understand this better, we have to know that the arteries carry blood away from your heart, and the veins carry blood back towards your heart, and the capillaries joins the arteries and the veins. So as a result of the force of the blood on these blood vessels, your heart may work harder and quicker and can lead to heart disease like kidney problems, heart attacks, and can equally cause stroke. High blood pressure doesn't always show you signs and symptoms. It is a silent killer. So we are going to look at some signs and symptoms of high blood pressure. Number one is headache. Some arteries in the brain can be stiff and equally reduce blood flow and enough oxygen to the brain, which can cause headache. Another one is shortness of breath. When the blood pressure is high, the heart beats work harder to pump blood against the walls, the vessels, and can lead to shortness of the breath. The next one is nosebleed. When the pressure on the vessels, it can weaken the vessels and can cause bleeding. There are some symptoms of dizziness in blood pressure happens if pressure rises quickly. It will cause dizziness. Another one is chest pain and is a sign of heart attack as a result of your blood pressure being too high. If you notice visual eye problem or visual problems, it indicates that your eye pressure is your blood pressure is very, very high. And irregular heartbeats can occur because of complications in the system. Now, we are going to look at the risk factors of high blood pressure or the causes of high blood pressure. They are lack of exercise. You don't need to go to gym, my dear. There are some simple exercises you can actually do at home, like press up, chair exercise, like stretching and sitting up and down. You can take a walk and get a fresh air. Avoid taking too much carbohydrates to avoid too much weight. You know, some people will cook with salt and equally add salt while eating. It can cause high blood pressure. Stop taking fatty foods like red meat, and excessive alcohol intake can start a journey of blood pressure and equally continuous stress from poverty, anger, and pressure from family and friends can rise blood pressure. Let's look at the remedies of high blood pressure. Is the opposite of the causes, like regular exercise, healthy diet like vegetables, proteins, and light carbohydrates. Take your medication if prescribed. Remember to check your blood pressure regularly. Go to a nearby pharmacy, clinic, GP, or your nurse close to you. And you can as well check your blood pressure yourself. If it's 120/80, that's a good one. But anything more than that, that's a threat. This comes to the end of my video. Watch out for my next video. Thank you guys for watching. All the best. Bye.